In this video, we're gonna talk about how you can play with friends in Heartopia. First, you want to load up the game, and once you load up the game, click on the menu icon in the top right. And here, if you wanna add friends, you will need to have reached DG member guild level 4. So if I go to level 4 here, you will see that you unlock the friendship journal feature right here. Now once you have unlocked the friendship journal feature, then all you need to do is to select it from this menu again. It is gonna appear, and you will need to put your friend's user ID, which can be found by clicking again on this menu and then on their profile, and you will see user ID. You will just copy this, and once they give it to you, then you can add them as a friend and request to join their town, and towns can hold up to 12 people. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.